morning. So today I'm getting my hair actually flat ironed today. I have not got my hair flat ironed since December of last year, and I'm like overdue for a trim. So my birthday is this Saturday, so I want to get it straightened for this Saturday. So I'm gonna take you guys to the salon with me and watch me get my hair done. So let's go. This is my hair before. She works her magic. You did such a good job. I love it. Really, really do. How long it's gotten. Now my head look even bigger because it's straight. All right, so this is my hair. It's gotten pretty long. I wish I had a mirror in the back to show you guys how long it was, but you saw in the last clip. It's pretty long. I'm just getting home and it's late for me, so I'm about to go ahead and bathe my babies and get them ready for bed. Mwah. Huh. Get them ready for bed and start my day tomorrow. But my hair is long and it's healthy and I'm happy and I trim. So now it can go even longer. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye. Tell them bye, Malia. Tell them bye, Leah. Mwah. Bye, y'all.